week on the Chicagoland rails. This day, on Sunday, we were not expecting to go out to see anything, but we'd actually get a message that a train split in a location that I frequently visit. This location is just east of the Kirk Road Bridge. At one point, this place used to be a railroad crossing, but sometime in the early 2000s, the railroad crossing was taken out and now it's just a dead-end road. The actual split occurred between the two mid-DPUs, both being ET44 ACs. The actual split occurred around 7:15, but we wouldn't get there till around 8 o'clock, so by the time we got there, the coupler was already being replaced by one of the crew members. In this drone footage, you can see the crew member putting on a new knuckle. I believe the knuckle broke in this incident, and each locomotive, I think, has 1 or 2 spare knuckles on it for this specific reason. As all this was going on, the IG4SE had to come through, and we'd see them pass by. And we actually had a little bit of horn from them, too. Right after the intermodal cleared, they would start rolling down the front end of the train to connect with the other end. And in this location, there is a slight grade heading towards the Fox Valley. So they're again just able to roll them down the hill by taking off the brakes. Now on Tuesday, May 7th, we're in Bartlett, Illinois to catch this westbound CPKC 180. And today they'd actually have an engine setup that I've never seen before. One engine in the front and one engine as N-train DPU. Although it's not super rare, I've never seen this in person, so that was also just kind of neat to see. Wednesday, May 8th, and we're in Franklin Park to be one of many people to view CPKC's final Spike Tour excursion train. Knowing the event would probably be really busy, and it was really busy, I would bring my drone with to get some shots from the air, as it was kind of hard to get some good ground level shots with all the people at this event. Flying my drone down to the end of the train and starting to fly it back, we see all the passenger cars as they're lined up through the yard leads in Franklin Park. And these cars are really nice. Here we see one of the F3 units, as there were 2 on this excursion train. And we see the tender and the star of the show, the steam locomotive. And this is a really nice looking engine. Unfortunately, I would not be able to get out of school to see the same move, but at least I was able to see it on this day. Friday, and this guy snuck up on me with an unexpected leader on it too. Now in Bartlett on this Friday evening, we just saw an Alpa Metra, and next up is CPKC 180. It's been just about a year since they started running this train, and today would be a pretty big train. The next day, Saturday, we happened just to run into this train sitting, and we get a few pictures. And literally just as I was walking to the car to leave, a northbound would pop up, which was what this train was waiting for. This northbound would be a northbound intermodal. Later, we were in Geneva, Illinois to see this westbound intermodal. And the final train would be MGW-GW, which is the West Chicago turn. This runs from West Chicago to Rochelle and back to West Chicago.